begins to rise. Colors paint the waking skies. Every ray a gentle song, singing softly all night long. Sanctuary, warm and near, sing away my darkest fear. Sanctuary, light of day, carry all my dreams away. Morning breaks with tender grace. Shadows fade without a trace. Every sound the morning sings, healing flows on golden wings. Sanctuary, warm and near, sing away my darkest fear. Sanctuary, light of day, carry all my dreams away. Through the night I found my rest, held in dawn's soft gentle chest. Sanctuary, safe and true.